Many people are scared of Father, but don't be scared of Him. Many people are scared of God, but don't be scared of Him. Even an earthly father knows his child isn't perfect. How much more do you think our Father in heaven knows you? Come back, child of God. Come to Father. You are tired, He will rejuvenate you. You feel ashamed, He will make you feel celebrated. You feel unwanted, God wants you. You feel unloved, He loves you. Now, would you escape such a loving Father when He calls you? Would you go on your own way when you know how dirty and selfish the world is? Anywhere you turn, everybody, there is no one who is kind. Their hearts are as hard as stone. Go outside there, you will see. Everybody out there is too selfish to think of others. So come to Father. Come to a merciful God. He will give you peace you won't find in this world. He will give you the happiness you so want to find. He will set you free. You will be a free man. This freedom is not found in people. It is not found in the world. It is found in the Father. Sister, is not found in false glory. It is not found in fame. It is not found in your friends. It is not found in the company you keep. It is found in the Father, the one true God.